Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very nice emoji. You can see that I have drawn a very big circle here. So in this picture we are going to draw a guy is laughing out loudly with a lots of laughter. Let's start the drawing. First we are doing the outline of the eye. Let's draw a smaller circle here. Other than that one, another smaller circle here and the eyeball in the middle. We can do the same for the other eye too, which is the left eye. Let's draw the circle here. Inside we are going to draw another smaller circle, and again we are going to fill it up the eyeball with a pure black color here. For the bigger mouth and bigger smile, we are going to draw a graphical presentation like this. Okay, and the tongue inside is like this. So this is the basic shape. If you like, you can put two teeth here. Looks like this. All right. Now we are going to put the colors and make the drawing visibly nice so that you can easily understand. For the tongue, we are going to put the red color here. So you can see the use of pencils of the red color. I'm going to fill up the inside of this area with the uniform red color, which is going to show the tongue. And inside the mouth, you can see that the black color I'm going to provide with these pencils and trying to make as uniform as possible so that the presentation looks good. Stay with us to follow all the steps we are just showing here. Follow the instructions, do the practice, and you can also learn all the good drawings you can see. You can see here the inside, the coloring is done. So the mouth is complete. For the eye part, we are going to put the blue color outside this border. So we're going to fill it up this part with the blue color. Okay. To show the little variations from the out surface. You can also see in this video the blue color. This is also looking nice within the context in these drawings. So this is purely the eyeball here. Okay, so after drawing this, we are going to put the bright green color around the this area, and we are going to fill up all the areas inside that bigger circle. Let's start the coloring from the top part of this drawing. All right. Coming up to the middle, we'll fill up all the spaces which is left behind as white space inside this circle. So we'll fill it up with a bright green color, and I'm progressing to the right side to fill up as uniform as we can do. So this is almost complete. All right. As you can see, this doesn't take much time, so the drawing is easy, the presentation easy, so there's nothing tough. If you can practice, you can also draw like this, even better than this one. I hope you can do, so keep practicing, and this is possible. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates in near future. In our next videos, we're going to bring more interesting stuffs. You can also browse through the playlist in our channel to select all the categories and select your own choices with which one you want to progress your drawing skills. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay nice, stay healthy, stay good, stay safe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.